Hi guys and welcome to another video. This time we are in Goa to check out the beautiful Roro ferry that's begun between Ribandar and Chorao. This has been coming for a very long time and we have been really excited to check it out. So without any further delay, let's dive straight into that. Without any further delay, let's get on with it straight away. My name is Hercules and you guys have tuned into Tribe Media Reviews. So, each ferry can carry a number of cars and two-wheelers or heavy vehicles in a one seamless flow. You get it from one side, you get out from other side. Very, very pristine and easy. The Roro ferry takes about 12 to 13 minutes compared to the 30 minutes which the regular ferry takes to cross from Ribandar to Chorao or Chorao to Ribandar. Also, there is a passenger saloon which is air conditioned and very comfortable for passengers to sit on the side of the ferry, which is really convenient to the charges of the ferry as well. So, I'm on the passenger cabin area of the ferry. We've got AC over here, lovely view outside. Very nice to get a ride on this ferry, very quiet over here. Another big change in the Roro ferries, you have automatic ramps that function from the cabin of the driver. With that, we are done with the ride on the Roro ferry. What do you think about it? Comment in the comment section below. Remember to hit like if you like the video, share the video, friends, family, like money, enthusiasts. Stay subscribe to Tribe Media Reviews as always. Next video, until then, goodbye.